Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of the oil indicator of a BMW X2 2018 model. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn or press the ignition on, as you can see, there is a yellow indicator that says service due and oil service requirement. I'm going to show you how I got rid of that. First of all, ignition must be in the second position, so the ignition is on. Then we're going to wait till this disappears. You can also press the left thumbstick to let it go, disappear. Then we have to press this button, keep pressing that till the indicator turns up in the menu like this. Once you are here, it says reset possible like this. Press this again, keep pressing it, and it asks you to perform reset like this. Yes, and press again to perform reset. And as you can see, it resets the indicator now. There's another indicator I want to show you. This one is same technique. Press it, let go, press it again, and once it starts scrolling, let go. And now, as you can see, the indicator is gone. That was it. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.